Welcome to Provenance Inns. I'm back to basics. Today I'm going to show you how to do the perfect poached egg. Okay, so to do these perfect poached eggs, we are going to need a pan of boiling water, a rolling boil, some eggs cracked into cups, a little pinch of sea salt to season up the end, and some white wine vinegar to add to the water, which helps the egg whites stick together. And we'll also need a key thing, which is something to drain the eggs on when we take them out of the water, so we don't just go straight onto a plate. So you need some kind of egg lifter, whether it's a slotted spoon or a lifter, and a tray with a cloth on. Okay, so to do the eggs, we've got the water, which is at what I'd call just under a boil, so you don't want it too fast because otherwise that breaks the egg up. You want a nice deep pan, so when you drop your egg in you get a nice shape. So a deep pan is essential. What I'm going to do now is just add a little bit of white wine vinegar. There's an argument to say some people don't think you need it, but I personally always swear by it. I think it does help. So we'll just let that tick away, and then what I always recommend is to break your eggs into a cup. So you know you've not broken the yolk or made a mess of it, and it's a nice egg, and it just helps with the shape as well to drop it in like that. So this is the perfect temperature for the water to be at. You can see it's just bubbling, it's not sort of rapidly boiling. If it does start to boil too fast, obviously adjust the heat because it will make a mess of your egg. With this now, I'm at a position where I'm ready to put the egg into the water. So I'm going to get 3 eggs in there. You can do as many as you like, but I would recommend do it in smallish batches, not too many at once, because then you've got less chance of them knocking together and making a mess. So we're about to add the egg. As you can see, the eggs now are in the water. They've got quite a nice shape. The water's just at the right temperature, it's just ticking over. Perfect poached egg, depending on the size of the egg, should take about 2 minutes. But obviously you need to check it and touch it and make sure you're happy that it's cooked. And the best way to do that is lift it out slightly and just touch it and make sure it feels soft, but all the eggs whites set around the edges. So we'll just let those tick away now. Now I'm lifting the eggs out. You can see that's all nicely set, but it's still nice and soft in the middle, so I'm going to lift that onto a draining towel. Put 3 eggs in, so we'll lift all 3 out. One in there somewhere. And if you've just got a little bit of excess, you can just tidy them up. At this point, I'll just season them with a little bit of sea salt. Okay, so we've got our eggs out of the pan, we've drained them. We've seasoned a little bit of sea salt and then onto the plate, and then now's the bit where we check that they're nice and runny inside and put a knife through them.